If you want to know how to buy shares of WACKER NEUSON SE, this short guide covers the essentials for the company listed on Xetra as WACK.de. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker WAC.de to locate the WACKER NEUSON SE listing. Select the result that indicates the Xetra market to ensure it is the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company overview, market details, and the price chart to confirm the listing and context. Make sure the page clearly shows Xetra and the WAC.de ticker before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Carefully review the order details, and then confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a pending order. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description, and remember, this video is for educational purposes only.